So in this video, I will be demonstrating how to build blinking LED using the Lita network and robotics customized Arduino board that is designed to build more than 30 projects without the stress of using messy jumper wires or breadboard. So this is the board. We have our Arduino Nano and we have an LED. All you need to do is to carry your Arduino Nano, you check the labeling here and also check the labeling here. You see here is TX, here is also TX. So you ensure that you can see here is TX. So you ensure that the pins numbers here correspond with the pin numbers here. So I'm going to slot in here like this. You see? Then the next thing is I will just carry my LED. You see? This is the LED. The longer leg is positive, the shorter leg is negative. Now on the board, where you see G means ground is negative. Then this is D9. So this is D9 G, that is ground, D10 G, and then D11. So this is how they are numbered. So if you're using pin 9, if you're going to use pin 9 on the Arduino, it means you are putting in the positive, the longer leg in D9, and then the shorter leg in G. So I will insert it like this. So you can see, this is it. Positive to D9, negative to G. We are done with the connection. The next thing is to write the program. So we'll be programming our simple LED to blink, that is to turn on and go off for 1 second. So let's assume you have launched your PictoBlock software and it has taken you to this particular place. So you select blocks. So once you select blocks, this is how the interface look like. You can see. So the next thing you need to do is you search for Arduino, right? So you come to board. Can you see board? Click on board. So we are using Arduino Nano. Select Arduino Nano. Now I'm using Atmega 328. There are two Atmegas. You see Atmega 328 old and Atmega 328. This one is the new. This one is Atmega 328 old. So if this one does not work, you switch to this. So I'm going to use this. For learning purpose, let me use this first so that you understand what I'm saying. Let me select this. Then I close it. By default, you will see this gray. You cannot drag this. So what you do, you come here, you come to this upload, click on upload, and then close it. If it doesn't, you click on this one, you see. So this is the one that work. Then you can see the block has changed to green. Now you can drag this, select control, let's use forever. Let's select our weight block. Let's select Arduino Nano block again. Arduino Nano. So this is it. We drag out the set digital pin. Set digital pin 13 this. So I'm going to do it fast duplicates. But we need one to turn on and one to go off. So the one to turn on is going to be high and the one to turn off is going to be low, the same pin. So we can change this pin to pin 9 because we are using pin 9 on our board. Pin 9. Then we can leave it 1 second, go on for 1 second, go off for 1 second. So this one is high and this one is low. This one should be go off for 1 second, on for 1 second, off for 1 second. So we put them inside forever loop. Then the next thing is for us to connect our cable. I'm going to connect this cable here. You can see you can see that this is on, right? You can see it's on. So um this LED is on because there is a program on this Arduino already. So but let's implement ours that will turn it on and off. So after connecting, you now come to connect and select the correct ports. Here I can do refresh. I'm not seeing any connection. I'm not seeing the right ports. So I can check the connection again and put it back very well. So I can refresh it again. So I'm not seeing a new com that is showing com29 wch.cn. So I can click on connect. It's connected. Now I'm now going to upload. So once it's showing this AVR dude sketch 500 DDs, which means it's showing an error that it's not accepting this particular bootloader. It's not accepting the version of the ArtMega. So you close it because it's not going to upload. You close it. You come back to Arduino here, settings. Click on settings. Select this version and connect back. You see, try it again until you get connected. It's going to connect. Let me refresh again and then connect it again. So if you continue, just disconnect here and connect it back. Then you come back, refresh, leave what we are connecting to. You see it's not connected. Now you close this, come to upload. Upload successful. Right? Now let's look at our projects. You can see on and off for 1 second. So this is the blinking LED project. You can modify your own and change the delay. Right? Let's try this. Let's say on for 1 second and the off for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Upload. Successful. Can see. On. The delay is much. So that is it.